Alright, here we are. Going on our adventure to Seven Springs Mountain Resort. I think that's what they refer to it as. In Pennsylvania. So we've had a good day so far of traveling. We got some Krispy Kreme, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, right, yeah. We got some Krispy Kreme, and then we got some crab cakes.
What's wrong with that?
What a typical winter meal. But yeah, we had some of that, and now we're driving through Morgantown. I'm gonna try not to hit this lady right here.
Yeah, try that.
I don't know what she's doing.
She's walking.
And yeah, we're gonna go try to have some fun. It's just me and Allie on this trip, and this is Allie's first big snowboarding trip. So we'll see how she does. Do you think you're gonna do well?
I hope. Goodness.
Learn how to shred.
Yeah, that's the goal.
All right, well, we'll see you all when we get there. Okay, well, we didn't plan this very well. We parked clear over here, and where we need to go is way over there. So we're gonna have to wheel this thing. And Allie's doing all of the luggage loading while I video and pretend to be a YouTuber. Right?
What?
Yep. All right, here we go. Got our room, getting ready to go shred. Let's give a room tour here. All right, this is the door. This is the room, bathroom, mirror. This is the balcony. They lied to us about the view. This is supposed to be looking at the slope. But that's okay. We got all our stuff ready and we're ready to shred. Isn't that right?
Yeah. Hi. You still going?
All right, so on days when it's really cold like this, there's only one thing to do, and that's break out the Squid hat. All right, here we are about to shred. We got Al leading the way. I'm burning up. We decided to take the outside route because it was hot inside the lodge. I think there's a spider in my boot.
Oh my goodness.
I really hope there's not a spider in my boot, but it feels like it just bit me. But all will be solved with some POW. So let's see how it goes. Hello. Woo-hoo. You ready? first snowboarding. You're doing so good. We got whiteout conditions. I can't find Allie. She's emerged from the mist. We got a blizzard. It's dumping 12 feet a day. 12 inches a day. Sorry, 12 feet. Can't see a thing. All right, well, that was intense. Ooh, we're tired. We might get some grub over here. Or some waters. We'll see. It's actually a beautiful day out here now because all that blizzard left. So now it's like sunny and 75, wouldn't you say?
67.
Sunny and 67, as opposed to blizzard and 17 degrees. So we're doing all right. Just chilling, getting some grub. We'll be back on the slope soon. Hello. Yeah, she's shredding it. Oh no!
Why are you still videoing?
Alright, here we are eating some grub. Allie's been shredding it. And we got a half nacho. This is half. It's gonna be plenty for both of us. We got a good view out here. We can see everything. Just having a good time. More to come. This hallway is endless. It literally goes forever. And we're at the very end of it. So you think that's the end, because it's the exit, but it's not. It just goes forever. Alright, so what did you think after your first day?
It's good.
Yeah?
I'm not sore. Knee pads were a good thing.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, well, we finished up today. Oh, I can't. I think we did pretty well. You learned how to link your turns pretty well.
You're so close to me. Get away from my face.
Yeah, well, she learned how to link her turns together.
I went straight.
She went straight for a little while. We also had the worst waiter of all time.
Oh my god. He was terrible.
Yeah, why don't you
He
tell
gave us our
YouTube?
drink and our napkins to the table of drunk girls beside us.
Yep, and he kept going and talking to him, and he forgot everything.
our check.
He tried to give me someone else's credit card.
So I literally had to walk up to him at his stand.
But it added to the atmosphere because it was just a funny, good time. Yeah, but
Okay.
now to go get some pizzas. We forgot masks. We're gonna get kicked out. We forgot our masks. Oh, gingerbread. And Allie hanging out in there. Alright, starting off day 2. We got some buffet. What'd you get, Al? Some potatoes?
Yes.
She wants her ketchup. She's missing ketchup. Like a kid. I got some biscuits and gravy, some of these things, and then we got some donuts. But we're both really sore today. Allie because she fell, and then me because I slept weird on my shoulder. But today's gonna be a good day. It's nice and cold out. All right, here we go. Find out the squid. What do you think of the squid, Al?
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong left one. What?
What do you think of the squid hat?
It's a little extra.
There's nothing extra about this squid hat. It is beautiful, and I am beautiful. All right, here's the line for the lift. Yep. No way. No way we're doing this. That's the state record for line lift. Allie's been shredding though.
I have. I've gotten faster and more control.
She's the best.
I feel alone, feel at home, feel like nothing is true.